Hello, hello, crafty friends. Welcome to or welcome back to Jenny Love Journals. So today, guys, we are going to randomly choose the winner for this week's crafty giveaway. We've only had 7 entries this week, but that's okay because then that just means that the odds are in your favor. I think a lot of that had to do with the fact that I was showing the prizes that I'm giving away this week at the very end of my last video. So maybe I just won't do that anymore so that more people know that our crafty giveaways are back. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to pop the wheel up here, and if you entered this week's crafty giveaway, you should see your name on the wheel. We're gonna spin the wheel, and then whoever it lands on, of course, will be this week's crafty giveaway winner. Here we go, guys, and good luck. All right, guys, here we go. If you entered this week, you should see your name on this wheel. I'm gonna go ahead and spin it, and whoever it lands on is this week's crafty giveaway winner. Here we go, guys, and good luck. All right, Jesus Fan 2 is the name of the person who entered, so congratulations to you, Jesus Fan 2. You are this week's crafty giveaway winner. Please do shoot me an email with the name and address in which you would like me to ship your goodies. My email address is always listed in the description below this video. And congratulations again, and a huge thank you to everyone who entered this week. I really appreciate every single one of you. Please come back on Sunday to see what I will be giving away next week. Thank you so much again, guys, and I hope you are all having an amazing day. Take care, guys.